Hey, welcome back, friends and new friends. This is our annual English bluebell video, little short, something to see. They're beautiful when they're in. Well, there are the English bluebells in spring of 2023, April 13th actually. They've been up a good solid week or so. I call them English bluebells. I've looked it up several times. I don't have one of those plant IDs, but that's what they appear to be. Although they're actually more lavender, as this picture shows. But it gives us a nice little entry onto our patio. And we have our little faux rock fountain back there. And then behind that is a hydrangea, which I did not plant. I've pruned it, not the right place for it, but we just keep it back. There it is. I say English bluebells. I'm not 100% certain. If you think there's something else, drop a comment. If you're new, subscribe, of course. And oh, by the way, Muckster Lite. These things are so dang comfortable. Go to my link down there and get you a pair. I highly recommend these. I love them. I'd wear them to work, but they won't let me.